we'll guide you through how to use Wix Base44 to enhance your website design efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Site Actions button next to the site you want to work on and select Edit Site. Now, you'll be in the Wix Editor interface. Look for the Base44 icon in the left toolbar. This is where you can access all the features of Base44. Click on it to open the panel. Here, you'll find a variety of pre-designed sections and elements that you can incorporate into your website. To add a section, simply drag and drop it onto your page. You can customize each section by clicking on it, which will bring up the editing options. You can adjust settings like colors, fonts, and images to match your site's theme. If you want to change the layout, you can do it easily by clicking on the Layout button and choosing from the available options. Base44 also offers advanced features like animation effects and interactive elements. To add animations, click on the Animate button and select the effect you want. For interactive elements, click on the Add button in the Base44 panel and choose what you'd like to incorporate. Remember to preview your site by clicking the Preview button in the top right corner to see how everything looks before publishing. Once you're satisfied with your changes, hit Publish to make them live. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.